Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Nonetheless, we hope you flourish. Let's begin with our topic for today without wasting too much time. Let's get started. What is marketing? Marketing is the process of developing, communicating, delivering, and trading offerings that are valuable to customers, clients, partners, and society at large. Collectively is known as marketing. What is the definition of marketing research? Marketing research is the information which is used to identify and define possibilities and challenges, produce, refine, and evaluate actions, monitor performance, and increase understanding of it as a process. Marketing research is the function that connects the consumer, customer, and public to the marketer. It identifies the data needed to address these problems, plans the information gathering strategy, coordinates and carries out the data collection process, examines the findings, and conveys the conclusions and their consequences. Let's describe a brand. A brand is any attribute that distinguishes one seller's goods or services from those of other vendors, such as a name, word, design, symbol, or other feature. Then comes the types of marketing. What are the types of marketing? Number 1 comes the influencer marketing. What is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing refers to drive a brand message to a bigger market. This concentrates on utilizing people who have power over potential customers and organizing activities around these people. By doing this, a brand motivates or pays influencers, who can be celebrities, content producers, patrons, and staff members, to spread the word on its behalf. Number 2 comes the relationship marketing. What is relationship marketing? Relationship marketing refers to methods and approaches for categorizing customers and building loyalty. Relationship marketing makes use of behavioral advertising, database marketing, and analytics to accurately target customers and design loyalty programs. Number 3 comes the viral marketing. What is viral marketing? Viral marketing is a phenomenon that makes it easier and more likely for people to spread advertising. Known as viral, because the spread of a message among so many people matches the transmission of a virus or disease. Number 4 comes the green marketing. What is green marketing? Green marketing refers to the creation and marketing of items that are regarded as being safe for the environment, i.e., designed to minimize negative effects on the physical environment or to improve its quality. This phrase may also be used to refer to initiatives to create, market, package, and repurpose goods in a way that is considerate of or responsive to environmental concerns. Number 5 comes the keyword marketing. What is keyword marketing? Keyword marketing involves in presenting people with content based on the precise search terms and phrases they are entering. This approach has the major benefit of enabling marketers to deliver the right message to the right audience at the appropriate time. This technique is used by many marketers to have an advertisement appear when specific keywords are entered. Keep in mind that this phrase refers to obtaining first place in the search results itself in SEO. Number 6 comes the guerrilla marketing. What is guerrilla marketing? Guerrilla marketing explains a unique and imaginative tactic meant to maximize outcomes with the least amount of resources. Number 7 comes the outbound marketing. What is outbound marketing? In this scenario, the marketer strikes up communication with the customer using strategies including TV, radio, and digital display advertising. It is frequently employed to affect consumer choice and brand awareness. Number 8 comes the inbound marketing. What is inbound marketing? When a customer contacts a marketer directly in response to one of the many strategies used to get their attention, this is known as inbound marketing. Email, gatherings, content, and web design are some of these strategies. One goal of inbound marketing is to position the company as a reliable source of knowledge and answers to issues, building client loyalty and trust in the process. Number 9 comes the content marketing. What is content marketing? A content marketing is a method of producing and spreading valuable, meaningful, and consistent content with the aim of attracting and acquiring a clearly defined audience and prompting profitable consumer action. What are the 4 main P's of marketing? The 4 petaseconds of marketing is a marketing concept that summarizes the 4 key factors of any marketing strategy. The 4 petaseconds are product, price, place, and promotion. First, product. A product is described as a collection of qualities, features, functions, advantages, and uses that may be traded or used, typically in a combination of tangible and intangible forms. As a result, a product can be a concept, something tangible, like products, a service, or any combination of the three. It exists to facilitate exchange in the achievement of personal and corporate goals. Although the phrase products and services is occasionally used, the term product refers to both products and services. Second, price is a formal ratio that expresses how much money, commodities, or services are required to purchase a certain amount of products or services. It represents the price a buyer must pay to purchase a good. Number 3 is the place or distribution. Distribution is the process of getting goods to customers. It is also used to define the breadth of a product's market reach. Distribution is expressed by place or placement in the 4 petaseconds. 4 is promotion. Promotional strategies can impact the trial and quantity of purchases, drive quick purchases, and are very quantifiable in terms of volume, share, and profit. Coupons, contests, rebates, premiums, customized packaging, cause-related marketing, and licensing are a few examples. Okay guys, this is the end of today's topics. Hope you guys found this information useful. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section and hit the like button, and please subscribe to our channel for more and more content to come. Thank you.